Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will break down for you how you can turn off news on the homepage of Microsoft Edge. For example, if you're annoyed by these popping up informations, news and recommendations on your main page, guys, you can do that with just a few clicks, so let me show you how it's done. In the first step, launch Microsoft Edge on your computer, and once you're on your homepage, guys, click on that icon here in the top right corner, on that gear icon, scroll down on that drop down menu and head over to this section here, Manage Content Settings. And once you're there, guys, scroll down till you see this section here, Information Cards, and make sure you turn off any information card you're not interested in and don't want to see any recommendations on your homepage or main page of Microsoft Edge, like the weather, news about finance, sports, local news, tech, and so on and so forth. So let me turn these off one by one really quickly. 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. There you go. So that's step number 1. And step number 2, guys, would be to head back to your main page on Microsoft Edge and to click on that gear icon here in the top right corner again and to turn off Show Feed here down below. Turn it off, so switch from on to off to get rid of these news, informations and recommendations on your main page of Microsoft Edge. In addition to that, you can also turn off the weather here or the forecast if you like. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.